Here is the voiceover script for the video. Ever cooked a steak over an open fire? Today, we're doing it right. Out here in the wild, surrounded by green hills, there's nothing better. First, we prep these massive bone-in ribeyes. Look at that marbling. Pure perfection. We're gonna let them hang over the smoke for that deep flavor. Let the fire do its magic. While that's going, it's time for the herb butter. Lots of fresh parsley, a good pinch of coarse salt, and we blend it all into the butter. Roll it up and let it set. This is gonna melt beautifully. Slice it into thick blocks. Smells amazing already. Now, the corn goes straight on the embers, and the steaks hit the hot coals. Listen to that sear. Flip them over. That crust is exactly what we want. Just look at that color. Perfect char on the outside, juicy on the inside. Let them rest for a minute. Top them with a generous slab of that fresh herb butter. Watch it melt and soak into the meat. Absolutely mouth-watering. Time to slice it up. Look how tender that is. Perfect medium rare every single time. Plated with the roasted tomatoes, corn, and a couple of fried eggs. Dip a piece right into that rich yolk. Pure bliss. Nothing beats good food in the great outdoors. If you can smell this, you're already hitting that subscribe button